New York State is preparing to declare a state of emergency over possible widespread staffing shortages all over the healthcare industry because today is the state's deadline for all healthcare workers to get at least one dose of a COVID vaccine. And if they don't do so by today, they will be fired. Now, according to the governor's office, about 16% of the state's entire hospital staff is not fully vaccinated. Those who do not meet the deadline will not be eligible for unemployment insurance. That's unless a doctor approves a valid medical exemption. Our Paul Gerke has the latest from New York. Paul, tell us a little bit about what Governor Hochul plans to do if enough medical professionals refuse to get that shot.
At this point, Adrienne, it's calling in the National Guard and doing whatever it takes to get some healthcare workers from out of state to come to New York and help with this problem. At this point, nothing is off the table. New York Governor Kathy Hochul laid out her plan over the weekend. This morning, she's in the Bronx at 11 o'clock, opening up a vaccine site. She has not declared a state of emergency yet, but if she chooses to do so, it would give her some options. It would let her bring in retired nurses, recent graduates, maybe doctors from overseas, and then those National Guard officers with medical training to staff hospitals here. That 16% of the state staff that you mentioned a moment ago, Adrienne, represents about 70,000 jobs, so no small number here. And this staffing shortage has a ripple effect beyond just COVID care. In fact, a hospital in upstate New York had to cease maternity services over the weekend. Moms can't give birth to children there right now because dozens of workers quit over this pending vaccine mandate. Now, if New York does choose to bring National Guard officers here to staff hospitals, it would not be unprecedented. In fact, New York State is actually a little late to the game on this. Just a cursory Google search will show you that there are currently National Guard officers staffing hospitals in Oregon, Wyoming, Idaho, Kentucky, Indiana, Montana, Georgia, and others. We're also keeping an eye out here on Wednesday. That's when a 3-judge panel will rule on the pending vaccine mandate in New York schools. About 10,000 or so school staff and employees are still unvaccinated in New York State, meaning another staffing crisis could be looming, Adrienne.
There are so many parts of this story. The governor has her hands full. There's also a deadline for other state workers who are not healthcare employees to either get vaccinated or they'll be tested weekly. So, I mean, I can only imagine the cost to the state of New York.